Are you curious about the world of cryptocurrency but find the topic confusing? Well, get ready for the video because today, we're diving into the basics of cryptocurrency. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through what cryptocurrency is, how it works, and why it's becoming so popular. And we'll even share a fun fact about the first ever cryptocurrency transaction involving pizza. So, let's get started. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies, which are issued by central authorities, cryptocurrencies are decentralized. This means that they are not controlled by governments or financial institutions. Instead, they rely on a network of computers to verify transactions and maintain the integrity of the system. One of the key features of cryptocurrency is its ability to provide users with a high level of security and privacy. Transactions are recorded on a decentralized ledger called the blockchain, which is tamper-proof and resistant to hacking attempts. This makes it almost impossible for a single entity to manipulate the system or control the flow of money. How does cryptocurrency work? To understand how cryptocurrency works, it's important to first understand the concept of blockchain technology. Blockchain is essentially a decentralized, digital ledger that records all transactions made on a network. This network is made up of nodes, which are essentially computers that verify and record transactions. When a transaction is made on a cryptocurrency network, it is sent to the network's nodes for verification. Each node checks to make sure that the transaction is valid, meaning that the sender has enough funds to make the transaction and that the transaction hasn't already been made. Once the transaction is verified, it is combined with other verified transactions to form a new block. This block is then added to the blockchain, which creates a permanent record of the transaction. One of the key features of blockchain technology is that it is decentralized, meaning that it is not controlled by any central authority. Instead, the network is maintained by all of the nodes on the network, making it difficult for any single entity to manipulate or corrupt the system. Additionally, because the blockchain is a permanent record of all transactions made on the network, it creates a level of transparency and accountability that is not found in traditional financial systems. Why is cryptocurrency popular? There are several reasons why cryptocurrency is becoming increasingly popular. For one, it offers a high level of security and privacy. Transactions made on a cryptocurrency network are secured through cryptography, which makes it difficult for hackers or other bad actors to steal or manipulate funds. Additionally, because the network is decentralized, there is no central point of failure, making it more resilient to attacks or system failures. Another reason why cryptocurrency is popular is because it offers fast and cheap transactions compared to traditional payment methods. Cryptocurrency transactions can be completed almost instantly, and the fees associated with these transactions are often much lower than those associated with traditional payment methods like credit cards or bank transfers. Finally, cryptocurrency offers a level of financial freedom and flexibility that is not found in traditional financial systems. With cryptocurrency, individuals can send and receive funds from anywhere in the world without having to worry about exchange rates or other barriers. Additionally, because cryptocurrency is decentralized, it offers an alternative to traditional financial systems that may be subject to government or corporate control. Types of cryptocurrency. There are thousands of different cryptocurrencies available today, each with its own unique features and characteristics. Some of the most popular cryptocurrencies include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, and Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin is the first and most well-known cryptocurrency. It was created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin is known for its high level of security and its decentralized nature. Ethereum is another popular cryptocurrency that was created in 2015. It is known for its smart contract capabilities, which allow for the creation of decentralized applications, dApps, on the Ethereum blockchain. Litecoin is a cryptocurrency that was created in 2011. It is often referred to as the silver to Bitcoin's gold because it is similar to Bitcoin in many ways but offers faster transaction times and lower fees. Ripple is a cryptocurrency that was created in 2012. It is known for its fast transaction times and its partnerships with major financial institutions. Bitcoin Cash is a cryptocurrency that was created in 2017 as a result of a hard fork of the Bitcoin blockchain. It is designed to be used as a peer-to-peer electronic cash system and offers faster transaction times and lower fees than Bitcoin. Potential uses of cryptocurrency. While cryptocurrency is often associated with investment and speculation, it has the potential to be used in a wide range of applications. For example, it can be used as a means of payment for goods and services, as well as a way to transfer money internationally without the need for expensive fees or intermediaries. Cryptocurrency can also be used in decentralized applications, or dApps, which are built on top of blockchain technology. These dApps can be used for a variety of purposes, including file storage, identity verification, and even online voting. Fun fact, did you know that the first ever cryptocurrency transaction involved 2 Papa John's pizzas? In May 2010, a programmer named Laszlo Hanyecz traded 10,000 bitcoins for 2 Papa John's pizzas, which at the time were worth about $41. Today, those same bitcoins would be worth over $600 million. Talk about a costly pizza party. In conclusion, cryptocurrency is an exciting and rapidly growing field that offers a range of benefits and challenges. While it can be challenging to navigate, understanding the basics of cryptocurrency can open up new opportunities and ways of thinking about finance. So, if you're curious about the world of digital currencies, don't be afraid to dive in and explore the possibilities. Thanks for watching.